ALADI is the largest Latin American integration group. Is the 13 member countries comprise Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Cuba, Ecuador, Mexico, Panama, Paraguay, Peru, Uruguay, and Venezuela. Together represent 20 million square kilometers or more than 510 million inhabitants. The ALADI promised the creation of the area of economic preference in the region, with the ultimate goal of the arching and con Latin American market through the merchants. And the regional tariff preference that apply the product organization the member countries against the tariff in the forces for the tri countries. Agreeing of the regional scope coming on to the all member countries. Particle scope agreement with the participation of the two or more countries in the area. Both regional and particle scope agreement, Articles 69, can cover different subjects such as tariff reduction, trade promotions, economic compensation, agricultural trade, financial, tax, customs, health cooperation, preservation of the environment, technology cooperation, and the tourist promotion. The countries with the lowest relative economic development in the region, Bolivia, Ecuador, Paraguay, enjoy preference system. Through the prior role of opening of market that the country offered in the power of PMDER, of special cooperation programs, business roundtables, preventive financial technology support, and the compensatory measure in the favor of the Mediterranean countries, the full participation of the test countries in the integration process in the South. On the other hand, in the actions of the Republic of Nicaragua was also accept the 16th meeting of the Council of Ministers Resolution 75 held August 11, 2011. Currency in Nicaragua is progressing in the complement with the conditional established to become member countries in the association. ALADI accompanies in the legal structure the most vigorous sub-regional, pluricultural, and bilateral integration agreement that the increased single energy in the continent constitutes up to the association as the framework or institutionality of the regulatory umbrella of the regional integration. To develop action to the support and the engrown this effort in order to bring them together progressive integration of the common.